This is a 99 Sport Wrangler, which means it has a 6-cylinder engine and needs 6 quarts of oil. If you're unsure how much you need, just check your owner's manual. The first step is to get set up by making sure the ground is protected and to say hi to any dogs that come along. This is the engine, so over behind here is the cap for the oil. That's where you pour your new fresh oil in, next to the dipstick. And then down below there, that white thing is the oil filter, so we will be replacing that as well today. It helps to take the cap off before you start to drain your oil. It just helps it flow a little easier if there's a release in the pressure. So next is to grab your socket wrench. It is 5/8. I couldn't remember if it was 5/8 or 9/16, but it's 5/8, and it does help to have an extension.
Ten, 15 minutes maybe. Make sure all the gross, nasty stuff's out there. It's pretty dark, as you can see. Next, you want something underneath your filter to catch drips, so it will drip. To remove the old oil filter, which is this one here. See if I can get it. You might need a wrench, but I don't think I made mine impossible last time. And there is oil in it, so it will leak. Okay, so that's your filter. It's full. It's gross.
So your next step is to prime the gasket on your new oil filter by dipping your finger in some new oil and running around the edge with it.
Goes on there.
So when you're tightening your new oil filter, you want to make it tight enough that you don't have any leaks, but not so tight that you have to get Western with it next time you replace your filter. Your final step before you add the oil is to replace the bolt on the bottom. then we add our oil, so you just need a funnel and make sure you pour it all in. The last step, and very important step, is to make sure you properly clean up your oil and then dispose of it. So I like to pour my used oil into the new container. My Jeep leaks oil, so it never fills it all the way up. And then you just take that to your local AutoZone and they can recycle it for you for free. Don't throw it away.